Dear students, now let us take one more problem from quadratic equations. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Now in this sum we have two taps to fill a tank. In that one tap is having larger diameter and another one is with smaller diameter. So both of these taps can fill a water tank in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours. And next also given that the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. That means the time taken by larger diameter tap is depend on the smaller one. So that's why let us assume the time taken by the smaller one to fill the tank alone be x hours. So like that we have to start the sum. First of all, let the time taken by smaller tap to fill a tank alone be x hours. Then time taken by the tap with larger diameter is equal to x minus 10 hours. Now according to problem, both taps worked for 9 integer 3 by 8 hours, that is 75 by 8 hours. Now the work done by small tap in 1 hour is taken as 1 by x. Why? In x hours it can fill the tank separately. In x hours the smaller tank can fill the tank separately alone. So whereas in 1 hour the work done by it is 1 by x. In the same way the work done by larger tap in 1 hour 1 by x minus 10, but both of them are can fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. So the work done by small tap in 75 by 8 hours is equal to 75 by 8 into 1 by x, that is 75 by 8x. Similarly, the larger tap, the work done by larger tab in same duration, that is 75 by 8 hours, that is 75 by 8 into x minus 10. So total work done by the both the tabs, 75 by 8x plus 75 by 8 into x minus 10 is together equal to 1. So always the work done is taken as, full work done is taken as 1 unit. Now from these two we can take common 75 by 8. So we can write it as 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. Now here take LCM. X into x minus 10 is LCM. So now x minus 10 plus x. Now transpose this 75 by 8 this side. Then we get 8 by 75. Now here 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Now on cross multiplication, 8 into x square minus 10x is equal to 75 into 2x minus 10. Now on multiplication, 8x square into 8 into x square, 8x square minus 8 into 10x, 80x, 75 into 2x, 150x minus 750. Now take these two terms on left side, 8x square minus 80x, then here minus 150x plus 750 equal to 0. Then 8x square minus 80x minus 150 minus 230x plus 750 equal to 0. From this we can take common 2, that is 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. Then 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this one by multiplying the first and last term. So to do that process, simply multiply first and the last term. Then we get here 375 4s are 1500 x square. The middle term is here. That means we have to use the factors of 1500 to split the middle term. That is, here middle term is minus 115x. So 1500 factors, simply we can take 100 and 15. So as we take minus 100x minus 15x, so by addition of these two we will get minus 115x. On multiplication of these two we get 1500x square. So by that way we can write minus 115x as minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. Now from these two we can take common 4x, that is x minus 25. Again from these two minus 15, that is x minus 25 equal to 0. Now on whole x minus 25 is common, then x minus 25 into 4x minus 15 equal to 0. Then here x minus 25 equal to 0, 4x minus 15 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 25. Here 4x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 4. But we consider only x is equal to 25. Why? Here, while substituting x is equal to 15 by 4 in this x minus 10, that is the time taken by larger diameter, we will get the negative value. See this here, x minus 10, that is 15 by 4 minus 10, 4 LCM, 15 minus 40. So then we get simply a minus 25 by 4, which is not possible. So we have to take x is equal to 25. Actually x is equal to 25 gives us the time taken by smaller tap, that is 25 hours. Now the time taken by larger tap or larger diameter tap is x minus 10, that is 25 minus 10. Simply we can write it as 15 hours. So in this way we have to do this sum. Now let us discuss another sums in next video. Thank you.